Alrighty. Howdy, everybody. We're going to get started here shortly. Just getting everything ready, making sure everything's working here on my end. Alrighty. All right, so I was going through all my assets here, which I've got 704 of them, and just seeing if there's anything that I could use. I've come across some stuff that I'm going to probably leverage, so I added it, but I'm going to kind of look at it again. So again, we are continuing on with that. I'm going to decouple the shoot point. Oh crap, the webcam. So when I create a new unit, I always got to put these items in its armature and its right hand. So I want to get away from having to do that at all. So I'm going to have a component of the unit that holds those items that would be put in the right hand, and on startup, it's going to drop them. It's going to reparent them from that to the right hand, and that way I remove the biggest time consuming step of unit creation right there. And one, it just makes my life easier. I'm just basically got tired of doing it. So that's quality of life for me. I did 3D edit today, or 3D model. The bat here, I worked on the ears. I add this like indentation in the ear, kind of roughed out the head. I gave it some here. Hold on a second, actually. This wasn't defined enough. Oh shit, I should have been doing that with the mirror on. Hold on. So it's face forward. Let's turn mirroring on the X. We're going to drag this out like so. We're going to grab these two, bring them out up here. So I think we'll bring this one here, take this guy, bring him way out here. And then it works for me. I hate having those lines right there, but it is a full loop. It's a full loop, so I just don't want to. I guess I could, because if I delete them, now I can't do any more loop cuts here in the future. I'd have to clean it up. Anyways, that's here nor there. All right, so that's fixed. Because again, what I saw, where is it? So here's the old bat and the new bat, the one that I just created, or well, modified basically. Let's see here. So the old bat had this massive head, the ears like that, things like that. And so what I did, it kind of got like a V head too. It's got like a V shape. So mine here has the Yeah, so here's kind of a comparison, old to new. I gave it really big fangs. A lot smaller head, and gave it more ruffles kind of on the cheeks here. And it's going to be more exaggerated once I pull in that latest change. Yeah, so it's going to be, it's the bat's now kind of a unique with my own design. I'm still trying to think of what other tweaks I can make to them. I think the side profile looks weird right here. So I'm probably going to pull the whole like snout out and down, or like kind of like this. And then, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, so did some 3D modeling today. Let me actually export this and see what we got. Export. Oh shit. Ooh, thankfully that was import. Okay, we good? We good? Oof. That's some harsh lighting. A little harsh lighting on those. I don't know. I think I had it pretty good before. What if he had like a knife? His chest harness was a blade. Oh, that would be cool. I think I'm going to do that. Yeah, I'm doing that. All right, so where do we want to add that? Blender or... Let's see if I can find a mesh. How would you weaponize a vampire? If you were a magical, or weaponize a bat if you're a magical vampire. So my damn inspector is hosed. Like I can't. Ever since I installed entities and uninstalled it. And I hate it. Because I can't rotate my objects like I used to. I mean, I can see it, but That's all the swords I have in this bitch? You're shitting me. How can I do this? Let's think here. That's the enemy bat, right? Oh. Right. Yeah, I want to experiment with this idea, so I'm going to mess with this bat for a second. So armature. If I can T-pose the bat, wonder. Little bat warrior, man. Oh my god, that'd be so cool. ADHD, take me away. So I'm going to put it here. I'm appalled by my lack of swords. What is that? It's a terrible sword. Just because I love the Buster sword, I'm going to do it. Yeah, that's what I thought. So, what I've got a problem is, this guy exported out as, I gotta fix this before I go on, actually. So, there's sometimes models can be at 100 scale. Like, yeah, even that's still too big. That was 100. It's ridiculous. Anyways, I'm gonna fix the scale issue with this next Blender import. I just wanted to see if I can kind of get a sword on his back and make like a little, him like carrying a sword. But how would he use the sword? He would pop the sword off his back, and then I would fly in the air, and he'd fly up and grab with his mouth, maybe, or something. Again, I don't think I'm gonna do this with this character, but I'm playing with ideas right now. Just let me play. So we want the bat. We want werewolf idol. Shit, what is the bat's idol? I see the downfall of my system already, but I'll get back to that. It's IP. What was it? I'll just hit the animator controller. Hold on. So unit back controller, attack 1, LP left attack. Oh, I hate this. Why is it? Whoa. What? Well, why? You know what? Can we do this out of exit preview mode? I just want to know why it goes to 0, 0, 0, and then all of a sudden, let's take it to 0, 0, 0. So now if I hit play, an angel from Evangelion or whatever. Oh my gosh. All right, so I probably got to fix the model. One, let's just get the import fixed. Because I think everything's getting multiplied by 100 essentially. How do I fix that? So it's Unity, Blender, FBX, port is 100. Scale data accordingly to current Blender size to match default FBX units. Okay, I think I know how to fix it. So we go to export, FBX, over here on scale. It is apply transform. And I think that's it. I'm going to hit export. Still 100. What the hell? Actually, let's do this. Let's get the new one. Still, I gotta apply the. Oh, here it is. This is what it is. So I needed to can do this on the armature. What do I pose? All transforms, I believe, is what I want. I wonder why this is yellow. But I don't want to see the armature right now. It's the model. Actually, wait. So if I take this to 0.1, oh shit. Weirdly enough, that armature lines up really well now at 0.1. And now I'm going to apply scale. Oh, my key. What the hell? Hold up. Where's my tools? In object mode, everything looks fine. I applied scale, right? Okay. So now let's try it. Let's see. Really shouldn't be dicking around like this, but $100. What the fuck, man? All right, so now they're super tiny. And their armatures are still 100. Do I care? If they're looking good, what do I care? Because now I'm going to have to scale them up. No, that ain't right. Yeah. Scale to armature 1000 to get them back to where I want, but that's not where I want. Okay, I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but math is extremely hard. Are you way off? All I'm doing, I just want to see it play in animation. I'm wasting all this time. Oh, now where the hell did it go? Oh no, it's going. I know it's doing. Okay, I've got to figure this out. The armature is 100 scale. Play scale, FBX all. FBX all. What's up, man? Got to trying to get the game working again so I can shoot some video, man. I'm not actually sure if they do. What is it? I got a scaling issue going on. Like whenever this is what the bat turns into after he comes back from Blender. It's very frightening. You don't have one. All right, so when it's not animating, he looks fine. All right, let's figure it out. Okay, so let me try that. Do not support scaled armatures. Oh, FBX all. I bet you this will do it. that right there. So that's why, yeah, I bet you this is going to fix it. Woohoo! That's a good sign. That's progress right there. So now I go back to my guys. I take away this 1,000. Wait, wrong thing. Well, 1 isn't the answer, but oh wait. We'll just do this for now. I don't really care about you. You can go away. I see what they're saying about the rotation fix. Now my guy's facing this way instead of the way that he normally would, I think. But now I should be able to play an animation, and there he goes. He's playing it. There we go. And then if I go to, what was I wanting to see? Oh shit, where is that at? All this was, I want to see how they animate it with the sword on the bat's back. I'm trying to think of like ways to make them cooler, or I don't know. I'm just thinking of crazy ideas right now, kind of spitballing. It's probably too freaking big still. Um, all right, now let's try. We want IP idle. No, we want the flying one. There's a fly one somewhere. A zombie idle. Hold on. Gotta find the right idle animation. They had no idle animation. I call bullshit. Did I delete their idle? I know what to do. Minimize all this bullshit. Oh, what the fuck was that called? I had it in my mind. I know an easy way of finding it. There it is. Now what I want is those animations. Where are they at? Interesting. I'm glad I duplicated. I lost all the animations on the FBX. But we should be okay still. So I go to the animator overrider for the bat. And then I'm going to come back down here. Take air flying. Back to idle. And now should be. Oh, don't tell me I can't play it because. Oh, I know. There it is. Okay. All right, we're back in business. That works out really well, actually. I like it. I like it, kind of. Hold on a sec. I'll be right back. I gotta get a drink. It's hot in this room, man. Let's see if my window's open. All right. I'm chilling out with some water. Now, I don't think I'm gonna have the bag sword. I don't know, but I was thinking of some kind of like blade on his chest, and he'll like fly and hit you with it. And I was just thinking through kind of like the bat, and if he's gonna be kind of his mechanics essentially. But you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna fix this rotation. So select all models, apply rotation neg 90, rotate all objects 90, do not apply, export. So let's go back to Blender. We're going to select everything. We got everything. We're going to Control A. What do you say? Play. I'll make sure they're in object mode. Okay. Now we're going to rotate X neg 90. That's what he said. No, it's not that big a deal. I'll fix it later, maybe. That might be why I also get this weird behavior. So I rotate X 90. Why is the X? GX. Should rotate around this, like visual origins. Oh, median point. Okay, let's try that. X neg 90. I don't know why that. Rotation. 0, buddy. I don't even know. Let's just get back out of that. Oh, shit. Okay, hold on. Everyone's rotated 90 degrees. I don't get it. When I feel like it's got a rotation problem, it's looking this way when it should be looking that way, I believe, is the problem. But I don't think there is a problem, so I'm just going to move on from that. So let's... gotta check in sometime soon. Oh, I want to organize, but I can't. Oh yeah, so I found this pack that I owned called Toon Harbor Pack, right? And it looks really impressive. Like, it is really impressive. So what I was gonna do is check it out here. It I'm pretty sure every asset in this thing will match my vibe or my style. So I think I'm gonna end up getting a shitload of props, possibly a lot of random human models that will also fit in my world art style. This is a really impressive pack. And then I looked deeper into this guy, and he does tons of stuff in this art style. So it's another repository now that I can use to go find stuff. If he's got something he made, it'll easily work in my system here. Oops, shit. I didn't have my webcam on. There, well, hold on just one sec. So let's check out the scenes on this guy. Thing is huge, man. Right out the box with minimal tweaking, I think this will fit. I just need to tune shade everything. And that shouldn't take long. Fucking sweet. I love it when the cars or the tires separate. Sweet. When the doors are you can open them and the tires are separate, it gives you just a bunch of options for interactability or level design. Like you got a vehicle with no wheels, let him to go and edit a mesh to get rid of the wheels. This is just a badass arbor set, dude. Like a lot of good stuff here. I am digging the vibe. Modeled interiors. If this is modular, I'm gonna scream. Is it? It kind of is. Yeah. And it's modular. This is fucking crazy. I honestly, I can't believe that. That's nuts. Damn, everything. Like, is it every building? It is every building. Holy shit, I just got so many more new modular pieces to use. I did not expect this. I expected all this to be one big mesh, the buildings and stuff. This is modular. That means, oh, that is so fucking cool. Wow. I am in love with this guy. He just gave me a treasure trove. Oh, power lines. I don't know why I'm big. I love power lines in video games, but, I don't know why I said that. So, I'm really, really happy this is all so modular. Just gives me tons and tons of pieces of stuff to work with. What the fuck is this? That water shader is really cool too. I don't think I'd use it, but I do like the edge. Well, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, buddy. Look at like, oh, don't tell me this whole thing's modular. That's insane. You could build all kinds of fucking shit with that. This dude is a gem. A scholar and a king. Oh. Well, I've been having a lot of Unity crashes lately. I sure have. I sure have. It's been pissing me off. I'm not gonna lie. Unity bug report. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? How can I asset importer? You know what? I'm gonna see if there's a new version of my year. Like they've created a oh, there it is right there. Wonder what's inside that guy. Because what am I on? I'm on .19. Oh, here's hoping and praying that it gets rid of my crashing, because I just crashed in. Actually, let's go ahead and go and look and see what all happened here. If anything new showed up. Dev environment. What time was that? 11:15 p.m. That's 2:25, 2:26. There's no error crash. That's very interesting. So this kind of feels different in that regard. So now we gotta go get into the dumpster. Load all assemblies. Info. For call stack and other details, see the latest crash report generated in. Yeah, that's what I'm here. Now this looks different right here, but it all it does is just show the stack kind of just shows Unity editor. It's none of my code. It's system 32. All system 32. That's not like none of this shit helps. Outputting call stack. Thanks. This is fucking abysmal. I know how to read through all this crap, and this is just so empty. Like, see how many times I've gotten, well, loaded senior tracking. Crash. Static batching. Version mono behavior. AI seeker. Oh, these are warnings. But we get down to here. Loading scene, backup scenes. I don't know what the damn crash is, and it's not so bad, but it's definitely something I wish I could just get rid of. I would do anything to get rid of it. So I got a mini dump. Where's the details? Like, where can I do with it? It just shows me modules. I don't care about that. Maybe I just need to learn how to. When DVD. All right, we're going to download this because I just got to know what the hell is the cause of the crash. It's just getting to me so bad. So bright. Oh, that's loaded. When the hell? Why is it taking so long? Yum. Water. So again, I'm finally gonna read these damn crash files. I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with my sheets. So my dump file is right here. Please tell me something. Okay, so okay, what do I do? Getting started. Click open. In the run command, type analyze/v. Okay. The fact I gotta do this crap pisses me off, but you know, we're good. Process start. Access violation. Invalid pointer right string difference. I don't know what the fuck. This doesn't tell me shit either, really. I think it's just Unity. Like, so let's go ahead and download that latest thing. Maybe there's a fix in here. So all right. So now I got the new Unity. Hopefully that'll solve my problems. We'll see. So while that's doing that, I'm going to just go ahead and do a manual backup of my game and then check in everything at this point. So it is 2-26-2024. All right, so now let's open up GitHub and check out all that. Got a lot of stuff because I was adding a lot of stuff, but I haven't yet got a chance to play with it, but I think it's all staying and it's easy to remove. So I'm just gonna checking in before update to, what is it again? 3.20 F1. Boy, that's gonna be a big one. I gotta do it, so I'm doing it. Wait, I'm already configured for Git. Am I not? Or Git for LF, whatever. Maybe not. Let me check. Repos. Let's go back out here. Get LFS. Get LFS right there. Well, wait. This isn't exactly what I was thinking. Merge LFS text. Let's open up. So get LFS ls.files. So it is working. I know it's working. I don't want it checking in the GTS shit, actually. Or do I? Yeah, I probably do. Oh, did I not do that? I bet you I forgot to fucking do this. I 100% bet you I forgot to do this. So, damn it. Unity. Okay, here we go. .mat.black.asset merge. And that's what it was, right? I'm just gonna delete those fucking things. I don't need them. So GTS user data. What was its profiles? All right, let's see. There we go. All right. One, I want to exclude that one, I think. I think that's... Fuck, I don't know what that is. If I use GTS, I'm going to figure that out. But I know I've been using LFS. I guess I've never uploaded anything greater than 100 megabytes, but weird. So what I'm going to do... Let's put a little disclaimer here. So give me a minute here. I'm gonna let this check in. I did a physical copy backup. I've got the new Unity. I'm gonna hope it fixed my crash. I hate doing this, but I want to test it out just because there is a new iteration. Actually, so 3.20 F1 Unity 3.20 F1. Crash unconvert important specific. There's a lot of crash fixes, so that's got me yeah, I'm hoping this fixes my shit. I am not gonna lie. It sounds promising. So I took a physical backup because one, I'm updating the Unity version, which is never something you want to do. I'm doing a full check-in, which is going to be a big one. It's going to take a while. So if it, depending on how long this takes, I may or may not just end the stream and come back later or tomorrow. Because this is real boring stuff and I won't be able to do nothing until then. So, and I want to watch over it. Yeah, but for now, I'm going to go get more water. You guys can watch this screen or look at this, actually. This is better looking. Yeah, my frame rate may, or well, since I'm uploading a bunch of stuff, I'm gonna probably get a little dip in my um, bandwidth, but should be okay. This shouldn't take too much longer. Till then, I'm just chilling, thinking about what I'm gonna do next. And hopefully my crashes are solved. Give him a big old ball sack. Let's make it sharp. Why did I do that? That actually, I think, makes it better. Still don't know if I like that real hard line going up across here, so I'm gonna bring that guy forward, maybe. Just gonna vertice, Alt Z, 3 G. Yeah, I don't know if that's the answer. I am not a 3D modeler, just to put that out there. So while it's uploading, I will do this. That's better. That's why I was getting some weirdness. Hmm. Still uploading. Yeah, my frame rate, it might dip in and out, because I am uploading. So we'll get through this together. Maybe the stream will stop. Maybe it won't. We'll find out. I can fix it again. The side profile is a lot better now. The top of the head too, I want to fix. Just the front though. So let's take everything here. Just bring it up like here. So we go, oh, well, I guess we can't. All right, that's going to take forever. I apologize. I didn't anticipate getting the crash and then getting annoyed by it. Did someone ring my phone? Oh, it's right there. Exporting from Blender. All right. What else can we tweak on him? All right, is it done checking in? No, it's not. Again, my stream may be dipping in and out, just FYI, because I'm checking in and uploading the game source code and files and things. And I had a big list. Let's test the. Oh, I can't test those changes out. God damn it. So what I want to do. I want to make his. So if we mirror this on the X, oops. Interesting. Is there a line right there that's just not connected? Well, let's delete edge. There we go. That happens. That happens in 3D modeling for damn sure. Did I lose my awesome little tweaks here? GZ. So he's got a soft spot in his head. I knew I shouldn't have done that check-in. Oh well. Life sheet goes on. I think that's about all I want to do to him. All right. So we can save. Oops, that's fine. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna. Well, this is checking in. If it isn't done here soon, then I'll probably call it a stream. But until then, I will be right back. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the stream and let this upload faster. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in a little while after this is done. I gotta do this. It'll just be faster. And there's nothing entertaining about what